How to set the PHP version for domain using cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Scroll down to the Software section and click on the Multi-PHP Manager icon. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you can see the list of different domains along with the PHP version being used by each domain. Now click on the checkbox to select that domain for which you want to set the PHP version. Now click to open the drop-down list of PHP version and select the appropriate PHP version. Now click on Apply button. Notice that the PHP version of the selected domain has been set to the selected PHP version. Similarly, you can select another domain and then select the appropriate PHP version from the drop-down list and click on the Apply button to set the PHP version to the selected domain. Let's see how. Notice that the selected PHP version has been applied to the selected domain. Now both the domains using different PHP versions. Thank you for watching.